got a 2020 Can-Am Maverick 4-seat. We're gonna start drilling the holes for our rock slide mount. We went ahead and drilled or pre-marked the holes. On these machines, you gotta be really careful. In the front, there's only a couple holes. We'll go ahead and drill. We've got a 2-inch hole saw blade. Kind of get lined up with the hole and then straighten her out. You'll notice on some of these, there's gonna be some plastic on the bottom. We gotta come back and trim. Back here's where things get really interesting. So you'll look, you're about 3 inches back from this body line on the bottom hole. Here's where you really got to watch. There's marks all over here. This one here is about straight down. Then on the back here, you're going to have to come in from behind and clear out some plastic. That one will pop off, but you can just go in with a utility knife and pop all that off. All right, now that we've got the holes drilled, we're going to go ahead and mount this. You're gonna have 4 M10s, 4 washers. Set aside our 17 millimeter. You're gonna need an open end for the front hole, and then a ratchet will get you the rest of them. I suggest kind of starting on this back hole. A little bit easier to get started. Front middle hole. Just hand tighten them all, and then you can come back after a bit and we'll cinch them all up. And you go to the back top hole. This one here is a little snug. Getting your arm into. Like I said, this front one, you're gonna need an open end. You got the back one. And then go ahead and go to the other side and do the same thing.